Hi, welcome to Cooking with Keri. During the summertime, one of our favorite meals to do when camping is called tinfoil dinners. But this can be done in your oven. It can also be done on the smoker or on a fire pit. And we're going to show you what we're doing on our fire pit tonight. So for a tinfoil dinner, the first thing you do is take your sheet of tinfoil and put a little bit of margarine on it just so that the ingredients don't completely stick. Okay, next what you're going to do is take a mandoline, or if you want to use a cutting board, and do some potatoes. Now my mom bought me these awesome gloves. They actually are to be used when cutting so you don't cut your fingers. I have done it before. It is not pretty. Okay, so we usually do about 1 potato per person because this will be a meal for one. Next what I do is put a couple of slices of onion on there. Do a little bit more. Today I have a red onion, but it doesn't matter what kind of onion you use. And next, some carrots. It just gives it a little bit of color. Whoops, runaway carrots. We'll use the entire contents of the carrots. Okay, so now we've got all those things on there. The last thing you're going to do is add some hamburger. Now you can do this with chicken, you can do this with pork. If you're going to do a tinfoil dinner with chicken, please pre-cook the chicken when you do your tinfoil dinner. But if you are doing pork or hamburger, it can be put in raw. So I'm just trying to spread it out. The finer it is, the quicker it's going to cook. It usually takes about 25 minutes on an oven for 350 degrees, smoker for 350 degrees, and the fire pit, you're just gonna have to do it trial by area and open that up. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more butter on top of that. And then the last thing to do to add a little bit of more flavor is what we're going to do is we're going to add some seasoning salt or some steak spice, which is either your preference. I'm going to do a little bit of both just because the salt adds a little bit of flavor and I love steak spice. Okay, so once that's all done like that, what you're going to do is take your other sheet of tinfoil, take that off so I can actually shiny side down and roll up my edges. Try to keep it as flat as possible so that it has more of an even cooking surface. You're going to cook it for about 15 minutes on one side, then flip it over and do 15 minutes on the other side. And that is a tinfoil dinner. Okay, so now you take the tinfoil dinners and place them on top of your fire. This one over here so you can reach it better. And there we go.
One.
Okay, now it's time to flip them over. They've been like this for 15 minutes. Now we're going to take it off of the fire. Okay, this is super hot. Ah, perfect. Okay, yummy.